Your question is, which one of the following acts provided for a federal polity in India? Your options are A. Government of India Act 1909, B. Government of India Act 1919, C. Government of India Act 1935, or D. India Independence Act 1947. Right answer is C. Government of India Act 1935. Your question is, which part of Constitution contains provisions relating to citizenship? Your options are A. Part 1, B. Part 3, C. Part 2, or D. Part 4. Right answer is C. Part 2. Your question is, how many types of justice, liberty, equality and fraternity in that order have been mentioned in the preamble of Constitution of India? Your options are A. 3521, B. 1352, C. 2531, or D. 5213. Right answer is A. 3521. Your question is, which one of the following is not a feature of Indian polity? Your options are A. A government following the constitution, B. Democratic government, C. Rule of law, or D. Authoritarian government. Right answer is D. Authoritarian government. Your question is, how many years does a person of Indian origin need to reside in India to become a citizen of India under the Citizenship Act 1955? Your options are A. 5 years, B. 3 years, C. 7 years, D. 9 years, or E. 10 years. Right answer is C. 7 years. Your question is, the right to equality is given by 1. Article 13, 2. Article 14, 3. Article 15, 4. Article 16. Use the code given below to choose correct answer. Code. Your options are A. 1 and 2, B. 1, 2 and 3, C. 2, 3 and 4, or D. All of above. Right answer is C. 2, 3 and 4. Article 14, Article 15 and Article 16. Your question is, in which of the following the provisions for the protection and improvement of environment and safeguarding of forests and wildlife are found in the Constitution of India? Your options are A. Only in the directive principles of state policy, B. Only in the fundamental duties, C. Both A and B, or D. None of the above. Right answer is C. Both A and B, only in the directive principles of state policy and only in the fundamental duties. Your question is, under which article of the Indian Constitution can the president be impeached? Your options are A. Article 356, B. Article 75, C. Article 76, or D. Article 61. Right answer is D. Article 61. Your question is, in order to be chosen a member of the Lok Sabha, a person must not be less than the age of. Your options are A. 18 years, B. 21 years, C. 25 years, D. 30 years, or E. None of the above or more than one of the above. Right answer is C. 25 years. Your question is, the Council of Ministers is collectively responsible 1. To the House of the People, 2. Under a constitutional obligation, 3. As per Article 75(3), 4. As per Article 74(3). Which of the above statements are correct? Your options are A. 1 and 2 only, B. 1, 2 and 3 only, C. 1, 3 and 4 only, or D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Right answer is B. 1, 2 and 3 only. To the House of the People, under a constitutional obligation and as per Article 75(3).